Yeah, Stitt is adamant this immigration law, House Bill 4156, only goes after criminals and that law enforcement has the tools, they're equipped to enforce that law. So today we asked him if he has any concerns, the governor that is, after Oklahoma City Police Chief Wade Gordley told us earlier this week that this law could cause some issues for his department. Do you fear that some police officers might not even try to enforce a law that is on the books?
You know, I'm not, if the Oklahoma City Police Chief saying he's not going to enforce the law, I'm not going to get into that. You know, the Highway Patrol, the Oklahoma City, Tulsa, I know they've all issued statements trying to alleviate fear. They're not going door to door, rounding people up. But they are trying to make sure we're a law and order state.
That was the governor's response after Oklahoma City Police Chief Wade Gordley told KOCO this week that House Bill 4156 could lead to racial profiling and undocumented residents calling police when they or not calling police when they need help. Stitt and other supporters of the bill, like the Attorney General and Senate Pro Tem, have said this week that they trust law enforcement not to racially profile. Lawsuits and legal challenges are expected for this law, but nothing has been filed yet. A similar law passed in Texas remains tied up in the courts, and this law is set to go into effect on July 1. Back to you.
Well, Andy, I know the governor, for changing subjects here just a little bit, I know that the governor seemed to have slightly changed his tune in his call for an income tax cut, a state income tax cut. What is he calling for now?
Yeah, he seems to be asking for a little less this time. Previously, he has called for a 0.25% income tax cut. Now he just wants a changing to the tax structure to how we tax Oklahomans. So instead, he wants a single flat tax of 4.75%. In his idea, it would leave out the poorest Oklahomans from being taxed here in the state.
So in other words, every Oklahoman that makes less than $27,100 would pay no taxes. So that's my latest iteration to try to say, hey, let's do something for people that are hurting with inflation.
And budget negotiations with the governor and leadership in the House and Senate are set to resume on Monday. Reporting live at the Capitol, I'm Andy Weber, KOCO 5 News.